Bhumi, it's great to see you in this royal setup. How was this set different from all the previous work that you've done? It was quite different. It looks different. How was it different for you personally?
One of my first times that I got to experiment with my wardrobe, there were people that actually cared about the way I was looking on screen. That's never happened. I've never been told, cut, nahi, baal theek nahi hai, nahi, ye angle. And I was like, wow, this is what happens. And I really appreciate that.
Usually
It's
they're like,
never happened to me.
continue.
Never happened. And I really genuinely want to take this moment to thank all teams that work so hard into making sure that I look good.
Ishan, I loved your performance, but there's so much talk about your six-pack abs.
वो तो होगा ही, once people watch the show they'll realize कि ये तो सिर्फ marination है. Meat अंदर उसकी
तड़का.
performance है.
तड़का.
तड़का is better. The real meat is his performance.
अगर सिर्फ इतना ही होता कि मैं बॉडी दिखाना चाहता तो फिर मॉडल ही बन जाता या कुछ ऐसा कुछ कर देता जिसमें शायद I would have been
Needed
topless, but I have to say I think call sheet पे कुछ ज़्यादा ही requirements थे costume ना लाने के.
Snackable.
कॉस्ट्यूम भूल गए
Costume
और फिर
भूल
shoot
गए
करना पड़ा.
and then we just had to go with it. So
Hi, I'm Bhumi.
I'm Sumukhi.
hi, I'm Ishan.
Hi, I'm Kavya.
Hi, I'm Vihan.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood
Bollywood.
Hungama.
Hi, I'm Rohit Khilnani. Joining me on Bollywood Hangama are the actors of the upcoming Netflix series, The Royals. Hi, guys. So, guys, I was there at the trailer launch. I really enjoyed the way it was put together. You were all in your element completely. I enjoyed the trailer as well. Could you tell me something more about your character that we didn't see at the trailer or the trailer launch?
Go ahead.
Should I go?
Sure, Bhumi, you go first.
Okay, so I play Sophia Shekhar. She is the CEO of a company called Work Potato, and she comes to Morpur because she wants to. I've only forgotten.
Royal PNB.
She wants to remember the motive of her life.
Yeah, this is a problem that Bhumi has where I forget and space out, but Sophia doesn't ever space out. She's very focused.
She knows all her
She
lines.
has a lot of fire. She's very well prepared. And I think what I love about Sophia the most is that usually women are told that if you want a successful professional life, you can't have love or because you are somebody who's chasing your dreams and you're going for it, you're not gonna, there's no space for love in your life, and she doesn't believe so, and that's something that I completely love about her. She's a nurturer.
Kirtana. Actually, on a serious note, what I really liked about Kirtana is that she's a full fangirl for a female boss, and I haven't seen this sort of a character. Like, you usually have followers for like a strong male boss. I was like, oh, full testosterone. And I really enjoyed the fact that this was a female boss. She genuinely is obsessed with how talented and amazing her boss is. And I like that about her. Apart from that, she's very chaotic, which you saw in the trailer launch. So that's good.
मेरे किरदार का नाम अविराज सिंह है and he's a reluctant महाराजा. जब आप मिलते हैं उससे शो में, he's not quite yet a महाराजा and it's something he wants to stay as far away from as possible. और क्यों जानने के लिए आपको शो देखना पड़ेगा. Other than that, he's got like a veneer almost of character that he plays. कि अविराज कौन है and दुनिया के लिए कौन है, but there's much more to him than meets the eye. And as you go along in the show, you discover कि क्या है इसका मसला क्या है.
Scene क्या भाई?
Scene क्या है भाई? Scene
भाई scene क्या तेरा?
I played Ginny, and the one thing that you haven't seen in the trailers is that she's an absolute wallflower. She's a robust champion for experiences and romanticism in her new life characters that she plays. And that's something that I really liked. And she's actually very messy and very detached in times when things are very serious. And in those moments, she's very careless and free and frivolous. I love that because I can never be that as a person. I'm very focused.
Hi, my name is Vihan Samat. I play Diggy, or Digvijay Singh. This is his full name. He is one of the royal family. He's the younger brother. He handles the palace. He's the more responsible one initially. And he goes through all the stages of grief through the show to find what truly motivates him and is meant for him. And when he falls down, he gets back up.
He's also my most favorite character in the show. I love Diggy.
Thank you.
We love Dicky.
Thank you.
You loved it. He's okay.
He has pretty lashes.
Let him cook.
Yeah.
Lisa.
Hi, I'm Lisa Mishra, and I play Nikki on The Royals. And what you don't know in the trailer is I pull my best friend Sophia's leg quite a lot. I do a lot of nonsense on the side as Nikki. And you have to do that in true friendship. You have to be able to make fun of each other. So there's a lot of that in the show. You'll see a really, really beautiful connection between us.
Right, Bhumi, it's great to see you in this royal setup. How was this set different from all the previous work that you've done? It was quite different. It looks different. How was it different for you personally?
Well, it was definitely nothing like what I've done in the past. It was probably one of my first times that I got to experiment with my wardrobe. There were people that actually cared about the way I was looking on screen. That's never happened. I've never been told, cut, nahi, baal theek nahi hai, nahi, ye angle. And I was like, wow, this is what happens. And I really appreciate
Usually
It's
they're
never
like,
happened to
continue.
never happened. And I really genuinely want to take this moment to thank all teams that work so hard into making sure that I look good, because that's literally one of the first things that I've been told from people that have watched the show. And so my wardrobe, hair, makeup, Rongita, who really was very strict about what we wear. But I feel apart from that, it was also very refreshing because I've played a character that's so close to me. There's so much of Bhumi in Sophia, and I've never felt this confident kind of opening up to a character, which in turn opens up to the audiences, because you always want to kind of safeguard yourself. But I'm glad I did, because I genuinely loved playing Sophia.
Kavya, you being a songwriter yourself, you are in the public eye, you have that following. What do you think the Royals will give you personally as an artist?
Very selfishly, it gave me a new experience. It gave me an entire armory of new skills. It let me vicariously live somebody else's life, which I truly enjoy. But as for the following of my separate artistry as a recording and performing artist, I think they'll just be surprised. Period. They'll just be like, wow, you look non-serious and and non-gothic and non-emo. We like it. I think they'll just be surprised.
And you give her new friends.
And yeah, it'll give me new friends. I love friends.
Siblings.
Ishan, I loved your performance. I can say I've watched some of the episodes. I loved your performance thoroughly once again. But there's so much talk about your six-pack abs. Do you want to tell people, yaar, aur bhi dekho, performance bhi dekho, and not just don't keep the focus on my abs?
क्या ना आएगा पर वो तो होगा ही once people watch the show they'll realize कि ये तो सिर्फ marination है meat अंदर उसकी
तड़का.
performance है
Yeah.
तड़का is better. The real meat is his performance.
Sure.
Anyway, but
So
sorry,
thank you
Ishan.
for your compliment, and I think अगर सिर्फ इतना ही होता तो शायद मैं डर के भाग जाता अलग डायरेक्शन में. But there's much more to it, and I think किरदार बहुत मजेदार है, and हाँ मज़ा आया प्ले करने में. I think there's so many elements to play with. Comedy भी बहुत है शो में, ड्रामा बहुत है शो में as you go along. तो अगर सिर्फ इतना ही होता कि मैं बॉडी दिखाना चाहता तो फिर मॉडल ही बन जाता या कुछ ऐसा कुछ कर देता जिसमें शायद I would have been
Needed topless, yeah.
needed topless,
Yeah.
but I have to say I think call sheet पे कुछ ज़्यादा ही requirements थे costume ना लाने के.
Snackable.
कॉस्ट्यूम भूल गए
costume
और फिर
भूल
shoot
गए,
करना पड़ा.
and then we just had to go with it. So
सर शर्ट नहीं है क्यों नहीं है चाहिए ही नहीं.
Vihan, from shooting Royals, what did you pick up? Any experiences that will stay with you, you think?
मेरे लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें अलग हैं. घुड़सवारी एक चीज़ है जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं था पहले ज़िंदगी में. वो मुझे सीखना पड़ा. मैं खाना ठीक ठाक बनाता था. मम्मी को देखकर मैं जो भी बनाता सकता
अभी
था.
भी ठीक ठाक बनाता हूँ.
अभी भी ठीक ठाक ही बनाता हूँ.
Slightly more
लेकिन
than
थोड़ा सा ऊपर मैं डक करी बहुत मज़ेदार तरीके से बनाता हूँ.
This is one of my most favorite scenes. I love. Knew it.
ये कभी खाता नहीं है क्योंकि इसको एब्स दिखाने हैं हर दिन, तो मैं खा जाता हूँ. और
What is happening?
Dakkari, bro.
Doesn't mean what it means.
नहीं, तो I learned how to cook food. I learned all these things on the job. Personality wise मुझे लगता है कि मैंने इतने सारे goofy characters पहले play नहीं किए हैं. इतने सारे like कभी जो silly भी बन सकते हैं, serious भी बन सकते हैं, दोनों साथ साथ एक scene में. तो मेरे लिए बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें थी जो मैंने set पे सीखी है या फिर practice में.
Lisa, what were you expecting before you came on board, before you went to this set, and what was it like after you signed up and came on board? What was the difference?
Yeah, I think it was completely different because मैं पहली बार जब गई थी City Palace, I snuck in to the palace.
That's a
It's a great story. I wanted to go to City Palace and see everything. So 2 years before we shot the show, I took my dad and I lied and I said, I'm here to shoot a music video. Can you show me the grounds? And they showed us every part of City Palace. And then exactly 2 years later, when I was on set, I was like, yaar, ye to set hai. Main yahan kaam karne aayi hu. So it was an amazing kind of full circle moment for me to have to lie to get on to that property and then to be on set for work there. It was pretty amazing.
Sumukhi, you are best at making us laugh and making us smile. It's the God's gift which we all enjoy. You tell us, how much of you do we see in Royals and how much is the writing? Did you get to be yourself?
नहीं, I think real self तो काफी है because कीर्तना sincere तो है, वो उटपटांग तो है, गिरती पड़ती रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ बोलती रहती है. तो I think उस मामले में तो काफी reality है. But I think in terms of हटके क्या है, maybe you have to adhere to the character you are with. तो वो that's a very interesting thing to do. That अगर सिर्फ मेरी बात नहीं है, I am someone who is an assistant to a character of Sophia. So my energy cannot be very away from what she is. तो वो जो एक discipline है वो मैंने सीखा. So I was very excited to do that.
She's one of the most selfless actors I know. She's so giving. There were so many times जब मैं set पे होती थी, मैं सुमुखी को देखती थी, मैंने कहा क्या level का talent है यार इसमें. Because जब आपके पास लाइनें होती हैं और आप उस पर बिल्ड करते हैं बहुत आसान है, लेकिन जब आपने हर चीज़ क्रिएट की है और तब भी वो शो के सिनर्जी में है, यू आर ट्रूली गिव. शी इज ऑल्सो वंडरफुल राइटर एंड यू मस्ट वॉच हर स्टैंड अप एक्ट Hormonal just to understand how talented she is. Hormonal. What did I say? Hormonal.
Which is true.
Which is also true.
When you're on, must watch.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. I'm a big fan of Sumukhi. I've been at your stand-up acts. You know that. Thank you so much, all of you, and wish you best of luck for the Royals.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Rohit. You are
Thanks,
really
Rohit.
nice.
You're looking come for
Thanks,
Hormonal.
Rohit.
Yeah.
रोहित क्या लग रहे हो आप?
Thank you.
Off. Round table.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bhumi.
I'm Sumukhi.
Hi, I'm Ishan.
Hi, I'm Kavya.
Hi, I'm Vihan.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood
Bollywood
Hungama.